right, the fold for today is called the peak fold. The peak fold is what we're going to be creating here today. And it starts with any size pocket square that you may have. But we get a lot of people asking, what do you do with these smaller squares? So we really want to use these because whatever we do with the small ones, you can do with the big ones. So we'll kind of take some of these away. I'll get rid of these two for right now. And I'm only going to operate with this one red one. So the peak fold is super simple. All you do is just fold it downside, okay? So we've got the raw side facing out, and here's the finished side. And we simply just fold this over in half, like so. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it over. And now that we've turned it over, we simply fold this over to the corner like that. See how it doesn't go down here, it comes off to the left a little bit. And then this does the exact same thing on the other side. Now I just hold these together. See how I got a nice little peak here? Sort of like a cone. I'll hang on to this. Bring the best pocket square holder into the picture. Remember, deep down to the bottom. Now I'm going to tuck all this excess pocket square in the bottom of the best pocket square holder. Now let that go. See how it holds it in place? And the peak, we spread this out across the width of the best pocket square holder. And same here. So look at that. Very, very simple. The peak. Now before we put it in the jacket pocket and see what we've created, remember this needs to rest along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket so it doesn't move. Or if your jacket pocket's a lot more deep for some reason, you would pull more of the pocket square out of the pocket square holder to take up the difference in depth. So now look at what we have created here today. Insert. Make sure it rests along the inside bottom of the jacket pocket. Couple last adjustments, and we have just created the peak fold, only made possible by the amazing Colossus award-winning best pocket square holder. Now consider, we haven't forgot about anyone of any size pocket you may have, because we also created and invented the best pocket square holder slim edition. So pick yours up today at any participating locations or visit our website at www.bestpocketsquareholder.com. Again, that's the peak fold made by the best pocket square holder.